Welcome back to our channel. In previous class we have discussed how to convert NFA to DFA. Today we will look over one example how to conversion diagram that is in NFA form. Okay. Now we need to convert it into DFA. Okay. What is DFA? Here we need to get only single path with a single input. Okay. So here we have multiple inputs. So we need to make it as a single input. Okay, and here in NFA we have 5 tuples, that is M is equals to Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F, where Q is the set of states. Here how many states we have? Q naught, Q1 and Q2. So we need to write Q is equals to Q naught, Q1, Q2, whereas sigma is input symbols. Sigma means input symbols. So what are our input symbols here? Zeros and ones. And Q naught is the initial state. Q naught is the initial state. So this is our initial state. And F is our final state. What is our final state here? Q2. So you need to write F is equals to Q2. And now for this transition diagram, you need to take transition table. How we will take transition table? That means first you need to write 3 states: Q naught, Q1, Q2. What are our input symbols here? Zeros and ones. So we need to take 0, 1. With the state Q naught, here with the input symbol 0, the path is going towards self loop. That means Q naught with 0 is Q naught. Okay, and Q naught with the input symbol 1 moving towards Q1. Okay, moving towards Q1. With the state Q1 with input symbol 0 moving towards Q1 and Q2, moving towards Q1 and Q2. That means you need to write Q1, Q2. Next with Q1 with the input symbol 1 moving towards 1, that means self loop. Okay, and next state Q2 with input symbol 0 moving towards self loop. So you need to write Q2. And the state Q2 with the input symbol 1 moving towards here Q1 and self loop Q2. So you need to write Q1, Q2. This is our transition table for this transition diagram. Okay. Now you need to calculate transition function. Okay. How you will calculate delta here? DFA can be calculated as M is equals to Q sigma delta Q naught F. Now delta can be calculated as, first you need to take delta Q naught comma 0. Q naught comma 0. What is for the state Q naught with input symbol 0, we got Q naught. That means the path is moving towards Q naught. And with delta of Q naught comma 1, Q naught comma 1 moving towards Q1, moving towards Q1. Next Q1 comma 0, delta of Q1 comma 0, Q1 comma 0 moving towards Q1, Q2. Delta of Q1 comma 0 moving towards Q1 comma Q2. And delta of Q1 comma 1, that means Q1 with the input symbol 1 moving towards Q1, Q1, Q2 comma 0. That means we have got new state here, right? Q1, Q2. So with the new state you need to take with the input symbol 0 and 1, and you need to do transition function, because until new state doesn't occur, you need to do transition function. Okay, you should not get a new state again. So up to that you need to repeat the same process. So here you have got new state, so you need to write Q1, Q2 comma 0. So delta of Q1, Q2 comma 0 is Q1, Q2. That means Q1, Q2. comma 0 is, it is a combination, right? Q1 Q2 union Q2. Union means what? The combination of both the sets. So you need to write Q1 Q2 Q2 means Q1 comma Q1 Q2. Next Q1 Q2 comma 1. So what will be this combination? Q1 Q2 comma 1 means Q1 Q2. You need to check these both. Here you need to do union. Q1 union Q1 Q2. That means it's you need to write the combination. So Q1 Q2. So here we got the same state again. Q1 Q2 Q1 Q2 same state. So here the new state does not occur, right? So you need to stop the transition function. So here what is the new states you have got? That you need to write in Q0 Q1 and Q1 Q2. These are our states, and Q0 is a initial state, F is a final state. What will be our final state? Means Q1 Q2. Okay, these are now we will write transition table. Now we will write transition table for new states also. So how we will write transition table here? First take states. What are our new states here? Q0 Q1 Q1 Q2 with the input symbol 0 and 1. So Q0 with the input symbol 0 is moving towards Q0 only. Okay, so you need to write Q0, and the state Q0 with input symbol 1. Q0 with input symbol 1 moving towards Q1. So you need to write Q1. And next Q1 comma 0. Q1 comma 0 moving towards Q1 Q2. So you need to write Q1 Q2. And Q1 with input symbol 1. Q1 with input symbol 1 moving towards Q1. So you need to write Q1. Next delta of Q1 Q2 comma 0. Delta of Q1 Q2 comma 0 moving towards Q1 Q2. So you need to write Q1 Q2. Next Q1 Q2 comma 1. Q1 Q2 comma 1 moving towards Q1 Q2. Right? So you need to write Q1 Q2. So after that you need to draw transition diagram. You need to draw transition diagram also. So take the states Q0 Q1 Q1 Q2. So here we have 3 states. You need to write that 3 states here. So with the Q0 with input symbol 0, it is going to self loop. So here we have taken self loop. Next with Q0 with the input symbol 1 moving towards Q1. So we have taken here moving towards Q1 with input symbol 1. Next with Q1 state. Next with Q1 state with input symbol 0 moving towards Q1 Q2. Moving towards Q1 Q2. So you need to write Q1 moving towards Q1 Q2 0. Next Q1 with input symbol 1 moving towards Q1. That means self loop. So we have taken self loop. Next with Q1 Q2 moving towards same Q1 Q2 only. That means self loop. We have taken self loop 0. And here Q1 Q2 with the input symbol 1 moving towards Q1 Q2 only. That means same. Again moving towards self loop only. So we have taken 0 comma 1. So this is our DFA. So we have converted NFA to DFA. This is the example to convert NFA to DFA.